Assalamualaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study the remaining part of chapter electrical circuits. In this presentation I will explain you the remaining chapter, and after that I will give you the written work of long question answers and book exercise which you have to do in your journals. Now open page 54. Current. In an atom there are two types of electric charge. Electrons have a negative charge and protons have a positive charge. Electrons do not stay attached to atoms all the time. The electrons of the copper atom in a copper wire actually flow from atom to atom. When electricity is switched on, electricity is a flow of electrons of a current. The size of a current is measured in unit ampere, and the instrument which is used to measure current is ampere. This is usually shortened to amps. 1A means the current of 1 ampere flowing through the current, and so on. This is the instrument ammeter which is used to measure current. Voltage. Electrical circuits need a source of electricity. This source of electricity provides the voltage or push needed to make a current flow in a circuit. The higher the voltage, the more energy each electron is given. So the more energy it can provide as it flows around the circuit. Voltage is measured in units called volts or V. Measuring voltage. Voltage is measured using a voltmeter. Voltmeters are connected across a component in a circuit, not in the circuit itself. Series and parallel circuits. Electricity. When the electricity has only one pathway to flow along, all the components are joined together in a line. These are called series circuits. Parallel circuits. So electric circuits that provide more than one pathway for electricity to flow are called parallel circuits. Ring mains. In our homes, electric sockets are arranged in circuit called ring mains. There are probably several separate ring mains in your home. Devices can be plugged into the socket at any point on each ring. Notice that a ring main has an extra wire. This is called the earth wire, and there is therefore safety. Resistance. All materials have a resistance to the flow of electricity through them. Some have a higher resistance than others. Thin wires has a higher resistance than thick wires. For example, the higher the resistance, the greater the chance that wire get hot, burn and melt. A piece of specially chosen wire called a fuse can be put into a circuit so that it melts before the connecting wire. A fuse has a high resistance and therefore melts or blows when too much electric current flows through the circuit. The supply of electricity is cut off and the rest of the circuit, including any device attached to it, remains safe. Now you have to do the long question answer which I have given you in this presentation. You have to copy down these question answers in your journals. This is question number 1 and 2. On next page there is question number 3, 4, and on next page there is question number 5. You have to do all these questions in your journals, and after doing the long question answer you have to do book exercise 1 and 2 from page number 64.